So let's go ahead and look at the velocity side of it. Use appropriate velocity for the movements that you need. This is going to come especially in handy when you get to the chairside refinement stages of your cases, because just as you saw there, 4 or 5 aligners is probably not necessary in order to correct that rotation. So let's go ahead and look at that case again. We've already done our chairside refinement here, and you can see that the software, due to the default speed, has set this up with 5 additional aligners. If you were setting this up yourself, as a reset and cutting the tooth off the model and resetting it, you probably wouldn't reset it 5 times to make that small of a movement. So what you do to adjust the velocity is you go into the velocity tab, you hold down control, and while you're holding control, you drag that velocity bar over the teeth that you want to correct. Then you go into these windows here and you type in the actual amount of velocity that you want to change. And so I've increased that, the linear and angular movements there, and now you can see it went from 5 down to 3. If you want to adjust it even further, you're going to hold that control button. You're going to slide the wheel. As you do that, you're going to see these turn blue. That means these are selected. You're going to go from the last keyframe to the keyframe before there, and then you can go ahead and change that to whatever you want. If you want to increase it more, you can go all the way up to whatever you feel is appropriate. So in this case, I think 2 aligners is plenty to be able to predictably move that tooth the amount that is showing in the setup here. And so why would I order 5 aligners and make the patient wear 5 aligners if I can get the same type of predictable movement with 2 aligners? It doesn't make sense from a cost standpoint on my end. It doesn't make sense from a treatment efficiency standpoint on the end of the patient. And it doesn't make sense from an environmental standpoint having additional aligners that are not needed. And so we're going to go ahead and optimize the velocity to the speed that is needed in order to create the movements that we're going for. All right.